Southside of Heaven by Ryan Bingham is going to be played in standard tuning, and it is really a very approachable song for beginners because it's based around some pretty standard chords and not many chords. So for this song, you'll need to know a version of a C major, version of a G major, and a version of an E minor. And it also used something called hammer-ons and pull-offs. All right, the rhythm to this song. It's going to be a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And each down is usually going to be on the root of whatever the chord is. So like the down would be on the C note or the G note or the E note. But then the down up will be in the higher registered strings, usually hitting strings 3, 2, and 1, strings 2 and 1 being fretted the entire time by your ring finger and pinky finger. So let's go ahead and put ring finger down on the 2-string 3 fret, pinky finger down on the 1-string 3 fret, and then your second finger will go down on the 5-string 3 fret for the first chord. So keeping that rhythm in mind. The first note will be the 5-string 3 fret, that's C. So you'll hit the C, and then you'll go down up on the upper register strings, and then the next down will be on the open 4-string. And then after you pluck that open 4-string, you'll immediately hammer with your first finger the 4-string 2 fret. And then hit the down up again. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down on the 5, down on the 4, down up. 5 is the C note, down up. Open 4-string, hammer on, down up. And you might want to just stop right here and work on that rhythm and that feel, because that's literally what's happening. That feel is happening through the almost the whole song of the down, down, up, hammer on, down, up, hammer on, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But the second down is almost always a hammer on. So that's the C chord. At the end of the C chord, 2, 3, 4. Hang on, let me think about this real quick. I'm trying to remember it in real time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the 4th time, it hammer-ons and then pulls off so that you can hear that open 4-string. Listen to it very slowly. 2, 3, 4, and then moves to the G chord. So for the G chord, you're going to move your second finger down on the 6-string 3 fret, and your first finger is now going to be doing the same thing that it was doing in the C position, but now it's doing it on the open 5-string to 5-string 2 fret. Usually I don't hear that little pull off on the 4th round on the G, but I almost always hear it on the C. So C, 2, 3, 4, G. And then it goes to an E minor. Now the way that Ryan Bingham makes this E minor, to me it makes most sense to leave your first finger on the 5-string 2 fret and move with your second finger to the 4-string 2 fret. But the way that Ryan Bingham plays it, his first and second fingers are reversed. So he's got his first finger on the 4-string 2 fret and his second finger on the 5-string 2 fret. For me, that's a bit more difficult. But here, you would still be using your first finger for all of your hammer-ons. So that in the E minor, the hammer-ons are still happening here with your first finger from the open 4-string to the 4-string 2 fret. And this is my second finger on the 5-string 2 fret. So here, your first down is on the open 6-string, then your second singular down will be on the open 4-string for the hammer-on. So it's a down, down, up, and then open 4-string, hammer-on, down, up. And then it comes back around to the C chord, to the G chord. minor chord to the C chord to the G chord. Now, whenever we get to the verse is the C to the G, and it does that 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's one round. Then this would be the second round. This would be the third round. So you get the idea. It does that 4 times in succession with lyrics over it. And then after 4 times, then it goes back to the E minor, to the C, to the G, and that is the chorus. It keeps that feel for the first half of the song. Halfway through the song, it slows down and basically becomes more of a slower. And really, I don't know that I'm playing any particular rhythm there. I'm just opening the chords down, or opening the rhythm up a lot and slowing down a bit. So instead of this tight, it becomes a down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down sort of feel. And it does that for a little bit, and then it goes back into that tight strumming feel of... Sometimes live, I do see Ryan Bingham playing around with hammer-ons on the 3-string 2-fret, 4-string 2-fret, and in the G chord, like the 5-string 2-fret, the 4-string 2-fret, and the 3-string 2-fret still. So you really kind of have a box of hammer-ons and pull-offs that you can do in the C chord that are all from either C chord or G chord. So, those are the chords and the movements to Southside of Heaven by Ryan Bingham. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.